it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test some new products that I just got in the mail. I did a little shopping, the end of the year sales, after Christmas sales. So there's a couple items I just got in that I've been dying to try. First, I got the Pat McGrath Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey palette. This was the holiday palette for 2021. It is now sold out, so I'm not going to do swatches and things like that. I wanted to try these Pat McGrath palettes. I only have the little small 5-pan palette that my friend Aiden sent me. That's all I had to go by. So I decided this was on sale. It sold initially for $78 and I got it for $50. And there are, what, 18 shades. There's 18 shades in here. And then I didn't take the plastic off the mirror. There they are. I haven't touched them. Nothing. Now, I know she makes some what they call special shades, which are this astral formulation. There are none of those in here. But I think this would give me a good feel for her mattes and her shimmers. And I'm not a Pat McGrath expert. I've watched some videos since I ordered this. So I am a newbie. So if you are a newbie, then you get my thoughts on what I think. We're going to do an eye look with this. The other thing I'm testing today, I finally got some Rephr brushes. I got these on sale. I got the Crease Set. So I got 4 brushes. I got the, let me take them out of this plastic and then we'll look at them. I have not used these yet, so it's going to be first impressions day. Alright. I got brushes number 12, and this is the one I was looking for. If you saw in my makeup brush declutter, I was looking for another one shaped like this, and it was in this set. So I got 12. This is number 13, number 14, and number 15. So we're going to try these out today. We're going to use those. If I like them, I would like to get some more. Move that little box. Move this. I've already done all my makeup except for the eyes. I have put my eye primer on. So let's get started and jump into this Pat McGrath palette. There are 4 mattes in here. I think I'm going to go with this shade right here. Let me grab the box. And no, box doesn't tell me, it's on the back. That shade is called, is that right? Electric. I'm going to take the number 15 brush. These are natural bristle brushes. So let's see. I probably would like a thicker brush or a bigger one to do my transition. I usually use a bigger brush, but we will use this one today. This is very pretty. It's blending really well. The brush feels really nice. There we go. Okay, I like that. Let's use it in my color switch. Okay, very nice. Now I think I'm going to go in with this brush that I really want to try, the number 12, in my crease, and I'm going to do this. It looks like a burgundy brown. We'll see how brown it is. Nocturne. Nocturne. It definitely looks brown. I'm going to start on the outer edge of my crease, deposit most of the color here, and then blend it over. going back with this brush I previously used and soften it up. Nice. Now, next, I've not stuck my finger in any of these bright shades or these shimmer shades. There is a dark one, this one right here. It is called Noir Moon. Let's check it out. Ooh, very pretty. That's very pretty. Let me grab a wipe. What else do I want to look at? This pretty green is calling my name. I don't know if I'll use it today. It's Citrine Envy. Oh, that feels so nice. Citrine Envy. What else do I want to just play with today? Look at, what are you? Lunar Haze. That's this one. These shimmers, oh, that one I think I'll definitely use. These shimmers have a wonderful, a creamy feel to them. Oh, and there's, what is that one? Heavenly Body. Let's try that. Oh, maybe that's what, that's Heavenly Body right here. Okay, I'm going to use Noir Moon, Lunar Haze, and Heavenly Body on my lid. I'm going to clean out this brush, the number 12, go in to the dark shade, and put it on my outer V. Should have brought some setting spray. I bet these are nicer when they are wet or applied with a finger. But for this detailed work I'm doing, I don't want to use my finger. We're here to try out the brushes. I'm going to work that into the crease a little bit. With the brush, it's not as shimmery of a shade. Then I'm going to take this brush and blend. I'm going to go into this little one. I'm going to go into number 13, and I'm going to grab that Heavenly Body, that rosy. I might not. It's not picking up on the brush. Hope you can see that. We will. Yeah, it is. I can get it on there. It's probably better with wet or with your finger. There is fallout with this one. Now with my finger, I'm going into that lightest shade and popping it in the center. Now, let's blend the edges. There we go. Okay, I'm going to take, well, I use the small one. I'm going to clean it out again. I'm going to take the number 13 again. And I'm going to do my under my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with that first shade I used, that peachy pink. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with the brown. Take it about halfway over. There we go. And then I think I'm going to take Galaxy Glow, which is this one. Let's get it on my finger. It is more like a topper shade. It's not as shimmery, but I'm going to clean out this little brush again and put it in my inner corner. Okay. And I'm going to take this one brush I haven't used yet because I want to use them all. This is the number 14. Let's try this one, Rose Venus. That's a coppery shade. Do I want to use that? Yeah, might as well. I'm going to grab that on this brush and I'm going to put it right in here. Give me some shimmer there. Now I'm going to go put my mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Makes a very pretty eye look, I have to say. Let's talk about the palette first. This palette's really nice. I'm glad I only paid $50 for it. The shades are pretty. I need to get in here and just play with more of them and swatch them all and just see what I think of them. First impression is they're very nice. Would I pay $78 for this? I don't know. I would love to try one of her larger palettes. I hear those have even better formulation than these palettes. So yeah, I would love to pick up one of the larger palettes at some point. $125 or $129, that's a lot for an eyeshadow palette. So it'd have to be on sale. I could not pay that and justify it. But this was nice. If you can pick up her things on sale, I would say do it, you know, go ahead and do it. And then these brushes. I really like these brushes now. They normally sell for $24 a piece. Right now, they're still on sale. Go to the Rephr website, rephr.com, and you can pick up this set for $55. You can buy them individually, like I said, and I think these two are on sale, the individual brushes. These two are not on sale as an individual brush, but it still comes out cheaper if you just buy all four. So there we go. That is my review of my new purchases. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.